Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to get the APKMODY app to your Android TV or Android TV box or Google TV. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So in your Android TV, what you have to do is to go back to the download application, and if you don't have the download application, please check the description of this video for more for a link that is going to help you to get downloaded to your Android TV. So after installing downloader, what you have to do is to come over here, type in this code, and the code is 304867. Once you type in the code exactly as you see on my screen, just go ahead and launch, and what is going to happen is that you are going to be redirected to the site of the APKMODY, which is apkmody.com, and you'll be able to use the APKMODY from the site. And if you want to install any application, of course you can install it straight away from the site to your Android TV. So this is how it looks like: the best free APK app store for Android. Worked on any Android device or Android TV, so you can use it from here. And if you want to install application, just search for application that you want and install to your Android TV. So that's it about the video. If you find it helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.